So to start, how to solve molding challenges. So here's some examples of some common molding issues that everyone, I'm sure, has seen before: short shots, sink marks, burning, warpage, weld lines, and voids. And this is just, you know, a few of the common ones. There's many different defects. So how do you solve these issues without relying on trial and error solutions, where maybe you go out to the machine and you spend a lot of time changing parameters, and it's really just a guessing game? Or if you make a certain design change to your part or to your mold, you want to be sure that, you know, you're not just guessing, that you actually have a good idea that your solution is the right way to go. Solving molding challenges without wasting resin and machine time. So you don't want to spend a lot of time working through solutions if, you know, it'd be best just to have the best solution on the first try. Wouldn't you all agree, right? And without having 40+ years experience for a PhD. So yeah, this is the great thing about simulation tools, is that you can get incredible insights and learn a lot from using a tool like this. You know, sometimes people with 40+ years experience, you know, they can figure things out very quickly. If you use a simulation tool, you know, you can have the same level of expertise. Again, I want to remind everyone, please mute the microphone if you're just joining. I'd really appreciate that, so that we don't get any sort of interference. So at Moldex 3D, our goal is to help with this. We want to help you solve your molding challenges, right? And so this is just a few examples of kind of outputs that we can give in our software. So shear rate results, shear stress results, all sorts of weld line information, like the angle that the weld lines meet at is very important for considering you know, the integrity of the weld line. Also the weld line temperature. We're known for our industry-leading fiber orientation prediction and fiber breakage analysis, so that's very important for those of you who are interested in fiber-filled materials. So yeah, again, warpage is another area where Moldex 3D stands out. Our warpage calculation is known to be relatively better than some of our competition, and there's a few reasons for that. I won't get into them here, but